Well, hi everybody, welcome back, and time for a mail call. And a couple of things came in this week. I got together with Dario. He has a YouTube channel here where he builds models. He's just across town here in Ottawa, in the same city I live in. And we got together yesterday, and he had this Weirdos Sling Rave Corvette kit that he bought, and he's already built it. It turns out there's two kits in two sets of each sprue in the box. So he very graciously gave me the second one, so I can build that. Also, he included, he knew I collect Goofy, Disney's Goofy stuff. He included a DVD of a Goofy movie. So that'll be coming up soon on one of my builds, the Corvette. Also, I got a package in the mail. I knew this was coming. I haven't opened it yet. So far, I've just taken off the mailing labels here and cut through the tape. It's from Peter Burstow in England. He said he would be sending me a package. It's more than I expected, a lot more than I expected. Very generous of you, Peter. I haven't even opened it yet. I hope you'll enjoy building this kit. It's a present to you for all the help, both with decals and formats, and your very enjoyable videos on your own channel. Beats Model Car Customs in jolly old England. Well, I wasn't expecting to have a kit, and this is more than generous of you. So let's see what it is here. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap is fun. Now we save that for future use. More bubble wrap. It's a 1967 Pontiac GTO. Very nice. You don't see too many Pontiacs these days. So yeah, that's very interesting. Very nice. Thank you very much for that, Peter. That was way more than I needed, than I expected, for sure. So I'll be adding that to my stash and my builders list. And boy, that's I think that's above and beyond. Thank you very much. I didn't expect that, Peter. Thank you very much. The thing I can do for you too, again in the future, just let me know. I appreciate that. So thanks everybody for following along, and stay tuned for the upcoming updates on my Robbie the Robot build. Talk to you later. Bye for now.